Hi everyone, it's Susie Lee with Bella Lina Boutique. Oh my goodness, I forgot to turn my lighting on. How about that? I have made these before. I've never made one like this, let's put it that way, right? These are the hats that I got from Walmart. And it's cute just as it is, I'm just saying. But we're gonna make a Christmas hat. I've never made a Christmas one. First you get rid of this. Ta-da! Anyway, all right, so we've got this, right, so far. What I wanna do with it is I've got the Santa belt ribbon, right? This I got, I think, yeah, the Michaels brand, Celebrate It. So what I want to do is I want to take this bling on a string, I call it, and I'm going to take a little bit of glue, a little B7000. I'm going to crisscross this at the side, okay? So it's going to go all the way around, but right here at the side, it's going to crisscross. We're going to have some stuff going on here. But I want to see how much of this I'm going to need. So I'm just going to kind of guesstimate real quick. We're going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it around the hat, and I'm going to generously cut this. Find the center of this ribbon. This is going to be the hat band. Okay, so I'm going to find the center. Just like this. So I'm going to add a little bit of B7000 glue to the center right here. I'm going to leave this part go because that's the part I think I'm going to crisscross. Okay, right here. And then this kind of eyeball it to the center of the belt, to the center of the space, to the center of the belt. I'm going to bring this in front, the bling on a string, and I'm going to lay it right smack in the middle of that glue, like that, with it facing, with the bling facing up. And we're going to just scallop it to the next spot. See what I'm saying here? This hat came from Walmart, and it is a felt hat, and I'm gonna put it in the middle, in the front. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna make it to where when it comes all the way around, that the scallops kind of meet, and then they're gonna, the ribbon is going to crisscross here at the side of the hat. And I'm gonna take my hot glue, because this is a thick ribbon. Okay, so here we go. This is what my cover-up is. I got this. This is the Robert Stanley. This is a, I don't know what they call it. I'm going to call it pom-pom on a rope. It's like a pom-pom on a rope, and it looks like snowballs to me. It's like a little snowball. So we're going to start over here, and we're going to hot glue it to the edge. Right? Okay, I'm going to cut it off right here. Should I do top and bottom? Seems like it needs it, doesn't it? It looks like it's out of proportion without it. Okay. Do I like that better? I think I do. I do. I think it needed it on the bottom, don't you? Wouldn't you agree? It did. It needed it on the bottom. what are we going to do with this side where it crisscrossed in here? I want this to be like the focal point right over here on the side. So I'm going to take some ribbon that I got from Hablob. It's the same. I think it's Robert Stanley. Boy, I'm on a roll with Robert Stanley. It's the candy cane, red and white stripe, right? That's what we're using tonight. And I just took, I'm going to show you how I made this bow by making this one that's going to go on top of it. I just didn't think you needed to see it 3 times. Anyway, it's going to go here on the side of the hat, like that, see? But we're going to put some red satin on top of that. We're going to stack this bow. It's going to be stacked and party. So I'm going to add to the back of the bow just some hot glue. See, she's getting prettier, right? I'm going to show you how I made that little bow with some red double-faced ribbon, satin ribbon. Double-faced just means it's the same on this side as it is on this side. Okay, and I don't want it to be bigger than this. I want it to be slightly smaller. So I'm looking at the loops on this, and I'm going to make my loops a little bit smaller. And then you're going to take and put it in the center of this bow. So when you do that, it's ever so slightly smaller. Okay, so now we got that layer going on. Isn't that pretty? We got stuff to put on here. We do. Okay, I have some feathers because, you know, it wouldn't be a cowgirl hat without some feathers, right? We're going to put some feathers in here. So I could just like tuck it right back here. That's pretty. That is pretty. I'm going to tuck it in behind that bow. Listen, Missy, if you're going to do it, go big or go home, right? That's what I say. I have the, well, I'll show you these first. I will show you these. Oh, I hope this isn't broke. Yeah, it's not good. Ooh, for 1 second there, I thought it moved on me. I'd be bummed. I would be. These are so cute. These are the blingiest. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, lolly, lollipop. I love this. And I'm thinking I'm going to put them on either side of this bow, like just kind of blinging away here. That was my plan. They're blingy, right? They're very blingy, very whimsical, very Christmassy. Is he not the cutest ever? He popped up. I cut and pasted it into a Word document, printed it, put this over it. It was as simple as could be. We're going to put little Santa baby. Now, I can pin him on here. I'm thinking I'm going to just pin him on, because that way you can take the pin off. You can use it for something else if you want. The cherry on the top is these gorgeous, totally dazzled lollipop. It's got a little pearl there. It's got the 2 little hearts. Okay, we've got it going like that. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of the B7000. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up. That's the front. That all the way around. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you again real soon, I promise. And have a blessed rest of your night, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. All right, love y'all. Bye-bye, guys.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials. Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.